Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to insert or replace ribbon and labels on the Zebra ZT411 barcode printer. First things first, the ribbon will be put here and you can slide it in. While putting the ribbon, ensure that the ruffle side of the ribbon is facing outside and that the ribbon goes down to the left. Next, open the printer head by turning this thing anti-clockwise. And after doing so, slide the ribbon below it. And pull back up to here and roll it in. For the label, insert it here and make sure here is fitted properly to the labels. And slide the label below the metal plate here and also through the printer head. At the bottom here, always ensure that this thing fits the width of the label. Lock the printer head and it is done. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and also subscribe to our channel.